What's happening, Vlogs by Wes world? Whew, boy, I hope that wind's not getting me. We are here at the second annual car show and entertainment at Tri-County Collision in Petersburg, and he's warming up his pipes. He's getting ready for a good show today, and we've got a pile of cars rolling in already. Looks like they got some real nice trophies over there to give out too. So let's go have a look around and let's get to mingling. Like to kind of glorify at least one vehicle in my videos when I go to these shows, and for this particular show I want to glorify this F-150 right here, simply because I'm not sure who you are, but I've been trying to get some good footage of this truck for several shows now and I haven't been able to, and here this beast is sitting here with the hood up. I'm tickled pink, and I'm gonna make my ways around this truck and look at it, because man does this thing sound mean. Let's just have a good look at this truck. Wow, look at that. That's why this truck sounds so mean. It's crazy. Like, if you look at this truck from the outside, if the hood was down and just sitting here, you'd never know that this thing is what it is. But talk about a sleeper right here. This is a sleeper truck.
Well, I hear the train a-comin', it's a-rollin' round the bend. I ain't seen sunshine, I don't know when. Well, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, like it's dragging on. Oh, the train keeps rolling from down in San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't you ever play with guns. Then I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. can't wait another day. It's a killing time, it's a killing me. Drinking myself alive, aching I won't see. And if I cross that line, they're gonna bury me. Well, I just might I'll be killing time for eternity. You know that's when I fall. I can't help myself at all. I get whiskey beer and hellbound. Play me a song about rambling men with a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to hear those guitars sound. Don't play, I'm so lonesome I could cry. I get all bound up inside. I get whiskey bit hellbound.
There he is, everyone. Johnnie Black. Back doing this thing again. How's things been?
Good, man. Good.
Yeah. Boy,
Been on the road a lot.
I've never heard you sing that Clint Black song before. I was over here and I heard you sing it. Man, I didn't get the whole thing. It's like one of my favorite songs. Honest to God, I was like, oh my God.
Clint Black's got some good ones, don't he?
Yeah, yes he does.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, but yeah, so Johnnie Black, also known as Jray. Everybody
What's up,
knows Jray. So, we got Shawn here from Dangerous Arts by Shawn, or D.A.B.S for short. Come up here to meet Johnny today.
Well, there's a house in New Orleans. They grow a rising sun. There's been around many boys, and God, I know I won't.
Just listen to him. Doesn't he sound good? Well,
Well, the greatest howling winds are strong as it rages inside my soul.
Johnny B, I just want to sit and listen to you, buddy. I mean, you got some pipes. But that's going to do it for this show here at Tri-County Collision. This is their second annual Customer Appreciation Show 2019, featuring Johnnie Black. And so, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe drop some comments, hit that like button, and maybe subscribe to my channel if you like it. And we'll see you at the next event.